Hey you guys, it's Jasmine and thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will be making a blackberry raspberry galette. It is very buttery, flaky, berry and delicious. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Alright, so first we're going to start off with a bowl, and in this bowl I have flour, sugar and salt. And we're just going to go ahead and whisk that up. Then we're going to add in some very cold butter. And we want to use our hands to work that butter in. We pretty much want to work it in until it becomes very crumbly and yellow like this. Alright, then we're going to add in some ice cold water. And we want to work that in with our hands as well. Do not over mix the dough. We just want to form it into the dough until you make a dough. So right when the dough starts to form, you're done. You don't have to over mix it or anything like that. And then go ahead and roll it up into a ball like that. And if that dough is sticking to your hands, just spray a little cooking spray or whatever on your hands, and you see it doesn't stick anymore. All right, now we're going to take some plastic wrap and we're just going to wrap this dough ball up. And then we're going to smash it down like you see here. Guys, this is so easy. I love making this. Just smash it down. We're going to put it into our freezer for 30 minutes. Okay. All right, into the freezer it goes. Now we're going to start with our filling. So we're going to start with some fresh blackberries and fresh raspberries. Then we're going to add in some sugar, lemon juice. And we're just going to mix that up. Now guys, keep in mind, the riper your berries, the sweeter your pie would be. The fresher the berry, the more tart it would be. Now we're just adding in some flour. We're going to give that a mix as well. And we're all done with that. We're going to set that aside. Now we're going to take our dough out of the freezer. We're going to put down a little bit of flour. We're going to put our dough down and we're going to put a little flour over the dough. Rub that in. Take you a roller pin and just flatten it out as big as you want it. I would advise you flatten it out as big as I'm doing here, about this size like this. It don't have to be perfect. All right, now we're going to take our berries. We're going to put it into the right in the middle of the pie crust. And the full recipe and everything will be in the description as always, guys. Now we're just going to go ahead and fold the edges over the berries. Guys, this does not have to be perfect. In fact, it being imperfect is all part of the aesthetic. So you can do what I'm doing. I just fold and pinch all the way around. And I'm going to let you guys see me fold and pinch the whole thing so you get an idea of what I'm doing. Alright, now we're going to take us a whisked egg and we're just going to brush that around the sides. This so our crust get nice and brown in the oven. And now we're just going to sprinkle some brown sugar around the edges, give it a little sweetness. And right now I'm just chopping up a tablespoon of butter into small diced cubes, and I'm going to lay that on top of the berries because I want a nice buttery pie flavor, guys. It's going to be so delicious. It's so good. Now we're going to put this into our oven for 40 minutes on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And when it comes out, you guys, it's going to look like this. Guys, the crust, I just had to show you guys the crust alone because the crust is so buttery and flaky. And then look at these berries. They're nice and juicy. I like to use berries that's not too fresh. So okay, now you see me putting some ice cream on top, guys. The ice cream really just is the cherry on top. But anyway, I like to use berries from the store. Use the berries about 2 to 3 days after I buy them because I don't want them too tart, but I don't want them too sweet either. So it's just all up to you. And guys, you see the ice cream on top, and this is the perfect treat. Buttery, flaky crust. Sweet, slightly tart berries, nice creamy French vanilla ice cream is really going to hit the spot, guys. So I hope you try this. Really going to hit the spot, guys. And then here, guys, I forgot to, I was eating it because it was so good. I forgot to film what it looked like when I sliced it. But here it is, guys. You can tell I already ate some. Well, I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell button so you get notified every time I post. And I see you guys next time. Bye bye.